Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, yep, we've got another Boker. And it's another auto Boker. And yes, it is another one that I picked up at the closeout sale on SMKW. And I tell you what, this one I picked up for way less than half off. Normally priced $98 and it was marked down to 40 on the closeout. Again, checked right before this video, and yes, it still says they have some. So if it's one you're interested in checking out, less than half price might not be a bad option for this one. Now, what does the Boker FRND, or our little friend, but it's FRND Silver. So, what do we start with? Well, we're going to start with the G10. And on that G10, you can see you've got sort of that brick style texturing. Come on now. There it is. It kind of looks like a brick wall. And the grip is pretty good. My thumb does slide a little bit. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but it is sliding a little bit. But overall, the grip is not too bad at all. You've got a wire clip. As you can see, it is mounted on the inside. And from what I can tell, it was very hard to find out if it is reversible. At this point, it doesn't appear to be. Now, see, this side's got the nice blue screws on it. You can see there, I have not tried to reverse it. But, you know, the option could be there. It's very, I do believe it is. I do believe you can move that spacer to the other side and turn it around. But overall, fit and finish, you've got these little spots of jimping on the G10. In a couple of spots, they are a little rough. They're not, they're not super sharp, but they're not, let's say, as clean as they could be. It's not bad. Just pointing out what I feel. It gives you a decent grip on it, for sure. Lanyard hole, so lanyard fans, there you go. Like I said, this one is an auto. We've got the pops of blue all around, but this one does have a lock, so that is nice. In the up position, we are locked, will not open. Push the button, nothing. Put it down in the open position, it does come out. Decent. Comes out there pretty well. Feels like it's got a hefty spring behind it to jump out there. Now, not only does the button lock it shut, or safety, or however you want to refer to it, but it locks it open as well. Push the button. You'll get some rock, of course. Even without pushing the button, you do have a very, very, very tiny bit of rock. Like I said, I'm pushing the button, rocking, let go. It rocks a little bit, but then it seems to settle back to where it needs to be. So something to think about. Open it back up, take the safety off. There you go. You can open it, close it, no problem. Now, D2 blade, to have a bit of a stone wash on it. Now, here, I think I said G10 earlier. Sorry, this is a Grivery handle. So, Grivery with G10, or golly, can't talk. Sorry guys, I've been working 12-hour shifts all week. Grivery, very popular with Benchmade. So I guess Boker tried to do it a little bit. And there on the lock, you can see if it's locked, nope. If it's not locked, you've got a blue mark. We're used to having red marks, aren't we? On a safety, but this one's blue. It stayed with the theme. The pop of blue, so there you go. But D2 blade, they're calling this drop point. Yeah, nice swedge. Overall, I do like the overall design of this knife for sure. Just the lines and everything, I like it. I definitely like the price. $40, marked down from 98. That's pretty sweet. That's well more than 50%. I was going to try to throw a percent out there, but it's more than 50. There you go. So, a little over 7 3/4. fully open. Handle, you're looking at right about 4.5. Blade coming in, right about 3.25. Cutting edge, as I'm measuring it, does extend a little past. So there you go. And then your point to point, almost 4 inches. 3 7/8. So I do have a bit left over for sure. So a little bit larger hands will fit it. Now, like I said, that Grivery handle, it's good. It could be just a little better. I mean, you know, like I said, you know, Benchmade uses Grivery quite a bit, and I've never really had an issue with their feel in hand. This one, okay. We'll put it in the okay category. It is a little bit bigger than the Bug Out. Now we'll get, there you go. And it's a little bit smaller than the PM2, of course. Get a weight on it. There we go. Close it up nice and neat. What's the weight tell us? I mean, you got full liners on it, so it's got a little bit of weight, but not a lot. Wow, 2.7. Okay. 77 grams. Nice. Nice. I thought it felt a little heavier than that, but okay. Wire clip. Definitely deep carry, as you saw how it's mounted on the knife. So very nice. Disappears in the pocket. And you've got a nice pop coming out of the pocket for sure. So, overall, start off fit and finish. Good, not the best, not the worst by any means. Like I said, you know, in hand, you know, it feels like a more budget knife. That Grivery just gives it that more budget feeling. Now, originally at $98, you know, I get it. It's an auto, you know, everything that goes back in there. Much happier with it at the $40. But fit and finish is okay. Action, you know, I give the action a good, for sure. It jumps out there. Pretty nice. You know, for $40 there again. I think 98 was a little bit, I don't know. You tell me what you think. You know, I mean, it's Grivery, it's D2, you know. There again, $40, I'm not going to complain. And ergos, you know, other than the little, we'll say, cheaper feeling of this Grivery, the feel in hand is actually really good. Like I said, it's a little bit larger than what I love, you know, that 3.5. But I tell you what, it's fairly slender. It feels really, really good. Oh, and the other thing I wanted to throw out, it does have very, very minor rock. Like I mentioned, but I guess I did kind of mention it. Very, very minor. And now it almost feels like it's gone away. You know, after I did that, let me see. I'm going to do the first flip. Yeah, it rocks a couple of times, and then it seems to settle right in. So there you go. You know, it feels pretty solid. No back and forth. Overall, you know, not bad. Just some little things, that $100 mark, you know, but as I've mentioned several times, $40, I'm not too mad about it. It's pretty nice. Now, like I said, I checked right before I did this video. Still on sale at SMKW for $40. If you think it's something you want to check out. If it changes, sorry, but that's as good as I can get it for you. But the Boker train keeps on rolling. Absolutely. I've got at least 3 more back there to check out. So we'll see how it goes. But thanks so much, guys. Greatly appreciate you stopping by on this Saturday morning. I hope you have a fantastic, fantastic weekend. Long weekend for most of you, I hope. Happy Memorial Day weekend, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, we'll talk later. Bye-bye.